May harang ako dito, Kuya Nars, sa iyong highlights. Okay. Dalawang harang mo dito, Kuya Nars. Okay, dalawa itong harang mo, Kuya Nars. Okay. Thank you so much, Michael, for staying. After this one, I will gonna end my live streaming. After this, Kuya Nars highlights, I will see this one. Kuya Nars, nandito ako sa yung Suri. You can ask me anything what you want to know. It is Suri. Okay. Watching Kuya Nars. Dito ako sa iyo. Pagkatapos nito, I will end this live streaming. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Just on updates. Maraming salamat, Sisi. Mama Taba. Na Siki Birta. Okay. Nandito Kuya Nars. Sa yung may funny talking funny. Sa Suri was little Suri mouse, little mouse. Okay. 5 minutes ito, Kuya Nars. Watching Kuya Nars. 5 minutes siya. Okay. Ilan ba dito? Kuya Nars, ano ba to? Sa ano mo, live streaming mo? Marami bang mga mumu? Dito sa mouse? Marami bang mumu dito, Kuya Nars? Welcome, Kuya Nars. Kain tayo, guys. Habang pinapanood natin ang highlights ni Kuya Nars. Pag-5 ako dito ng tamsak, tamshare natin after pagkatapos nito. Michael, the meaning of salamat, that is a Tagalog word. Salamat, it means thank you. Salamat. Thank you, Michael. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Salamat is thank you. If I say, let's eat. Kain tayo. Bon appetit. It's kain tayo. Okay, multo mix. What's that? Multo mix? Kuya Nars. Tapos na siya kitumtom. Dito naman siya ki mouse. Oui, merci and Roman. Okay. Kuya Nars. Timeshare natin to after. Marami ba ditong mumu, Kuya Nars? Ki mouse. Nasa 39 na tayo. 40 minutes. 40 minutes na pala tayo. Okay. Lagyan natin ng ng highlights dito. So cute. Blue mouse. Yes, Michael. Kuya Nars.